Hello! This video is just me sharing some thoughts on quantum physics and free will. First, here's the dealio with quantum physics. Oversimplification warning. At the quantum level, a particle can be in a superposition where it exists in multiple positions at the same time. But when you observe the particle, it chooses, for lack of a better word, one of the positions. And it seems completely random which position it goes to. And that's pretty cool. But what's really going on here? Is it actually random? Well, here's one theory, the many-worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. Whenever a particle in a superposition is observed, physical reality splits so that every outcome that could happen does happen in a different physical universe. This happens a lot, like trillions of times a nanosecond. Now, some people think that this is the best interpretation of what's going on with quantum mechanics, but I'm skeptical of this, as dozens of other interpretations of quantum mechanics make all the same predictions about the physical world. Furthermore, if the many-worlds interpretation is true, then Christianity seems to be false, for there are trillions of duplicates of every person made a nanosecond, which is theologically problematic, to say the least. Now, onto free will. If we have libertarian free will, then we can make decisions that are not causally determined. Does this power rest in our material body or our immaterial soul? Well, our material body is governed by deterministic physics, with maybe some quantum randomness thrown in. But neither determinism, nor randomness, nor any mixture thereof lead to free will. Therefore, our free will is located in our soul. But then, how does the soul make our body carry out free actions? Does our soul violate the laws of physics to move molecules around in our brains to make our bodies do what we want? That's mysterious. But I had an idea how to kill two birds with one stone. Wow, okay, that drawing. Just to clarify, those are birds. So here's the idea. My soul is attached to my body so that I experience what my body feels rather than what your body feels. We could sidestep all the theological problems of the many-worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics if we just maintain that when the universe splits, my soul stays attached to only one of the bodies in a single universe. Thus, there would be other universes with duplicates of my body, but in those worlds, they would just be empty husks, unfeeling and unthinking sacks of flesh. This gets rid of all the tension between the many-worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics and Christianity. Plus, it makes sense of how the soul can interact with the body to get it to carry out free choices. Take a scenario where I could choose to do action A or action B. If the many-worlds interpretation is true, there will be universes where quantum fluctuations in my brain cause my body to act out action A, and there will be other universes where quantum fluctuations in my brain cause my body to act out action B. Now, my free decision between A and B takes place in my soul. If my soul chose A, for example, then it could just stay connected to the body in the universe where choice A is made. If I would have chosen B, then my soul would have stayed connected to a body in a universe where I chose B. Thus, I could explain how my soul controls my body, and not only are the laws of physics never violated, but the physical universe is never actually even changed in any way by my soul whatsoever. I've been thinking about how this can be extended to how angels and demons interact with our world, or how miracles can occur. But that's for another video. Now, an important note, I think this view, which I'll call Many-Worlds Libertarianism, is probably wrong. It seems weird, but I think that it's a really interesting idea, so I want to share it. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoy this content.